Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my mom is going to braid my hair with wool.
Hi guys, as you can see at the beginning of this video, my girl has already introduced the video. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for coming. So this video is all about I'm braiding my girl's hair. I've done it in the past and I've used different colors. It was really amazing. So this is wool. Well, I know it has wool, but I noticed that it's called yarn. So I've used it, like I said earlier, in different colors. I noticed my gay hair love it so well, so I decided to give it a try. I saw this blue color, it was so like beautiful, so I decided to give it a try, and you can see how beautiful the color is. Maybe you can't see it properly why is it like braiding. I bought three of it, but finally I end up using 1.5 of it, and it's really like amazing, and it cost me about $6, yeah, for the three, which is £2 each for each of the yarn. Oh guys, you can see my child hair. Oh my goodness, I really don't like have that much time, but believe me, her hair is already like washed, moisturized, so I'm just trying to brush it out. You can see my girl is really like smiling because she's watching I think is it a movie or a YouTube video. Yeah, that was what she was like watching, and she's like really enjoying it while I'm braiding her hair. It's like a bit of stress free from her. She's not like asking for snacks and all of those stuff because she's been entertained. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm using about 6 of it. Yeah, I'm using, I think it's 6. Yeah, because I noticed when I added make it 8, it was too thick to my liking, so I used 6, and it was like really great. You can see it's not that tiny, and it's not that big, and so it's just fine to my liking. So I just want it this way. I tried my best to like continue, like finish it up just the same size. I'm not a professional. I'm just like, I started making my baby hair, like braiding her hair, just because I didn't wanted to spend money, and moreover I just wanted to learn how to braid properly. Though I'm still strongly, but yeah, it's fine overall. So thanks to YouTube tutorials that we've been watching, and it's like we're learning a lot from it, so I don't have to spend money braiding my child hair. Actually, I've never spent money on my child hair, but like, I mean, paying someone to braid my child hair, I've never done that. I've been braiding her hair ever since she was born, making her hair and all of that. So guys, I want to say, if you haven't subscribed to this video, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Support your sis. Comment down below. I will really appreciate it. Just keep on watching. I'm trying to be fast while braiding her hair because I don't want her to start complaining. And if she starts doing that, it's going to be like a disaster for me. So when I was picking this color, she was like, "Mommy, I want a rainbow hair." I was like, "Are you serious? We are not in summer. If it's summer, maybe I would have like looked for a rainbow one, but we are not in summer." So she was like, "Oh, okay." She loved it. Actually, I know she still loves this color. So I'm almost done. So I'm just like I said, trying to be fast while I'm braiding her hair. You can see like she's already tired of sitting down. So I'm just trying to be fast while I'm braiding it. And I'm also using a rubber band or a plastic band to secure the end, because I don't want the my braids to lose off, because it's quite easy from like losing. And using a rubber band or a plastic band is just going to be like helpful for me, and I'm not going to like do an extra work on it. Just all I need is, just after I'm done, just pick up my scissors and trim. the end of each braid. As you can see, guys, I'm already done. I'm just trying to put part of it in ponytail. Like I said, adding the rubber band or a plastic band on each braid as I go, it's more easier, more manageable. Okay, so guys, I really appreciate you all coming and watching. Like I said earlier, if you haven't subscribed, my family, please, my friends, go ahead and subscribe to your sis. Don't forget to share, to comment down below, like the video, and I really appreciate it. This is the final look. You can see how cute, beautiful the hair is. I took my time really to braid her hair, and it's really like it comes out perfect. Comes out perfect for the perfect princess. You can see how it is, guys. I'm really happy she loves it. Okay, guys, thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye.